Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Okay, I am going to show you how I wrap my bridal shrugs or anything that I knit, my cardigans. So this is an extra small, but when I put it on my mannequin, as you can see, if you've been following me, I've been putting on my mannequin as how the process goes, and it can fit. It's extra small, but it can fit a small as well. Even a medium, it will comfortably fit. But the numbers are for a extra small. So I fold the sleeves like this, and this is how I do them. Just like this, and I fold it like this again. So I need to fit into this beautiful bag, which I bought from Turkey when I was in Turkey in 2019. I usually order them through Amazon. No, not Amazon. AliExpress, yeah. And but I really liked. I was looking for silver, but they had the gold, and I said to myself, this would be perfect for brides. Okay, so I put them in. Sometimes I put them wrap them on a tissue paper, but I'm gonna bag it like 3 times. The 1, 2, 3. So I thought to myself that would be okay. So here is my thank you card, and on the bottom, please rate me. Don't give me a 1 star. And here is my business card. I printed these in Turkey as well. They're very cheap there. Okay, unfortunately, because I knit the cardigan, the shrug, with a bobbin, so I'm just gonna put this in. It says it's made in France. It's not the original tag or anything, but that's okay. And it gives you the instructions, what's in it. This is how it's usually sold in tiny balls like this, about 10 gram. But I aim for the bobbin, for the cones, because yeah, they're very expensive, and I can save a little bit money when I buy from the cones. So I'm just gonna put this, and I do have care instructions in the listing, so I'm not gonna bother printing. I want to save paper, right? You can go to my link, and I have everything there. I usually included a sasha, but I'm lately I've been scared to do that. I don't want delays or anything because of a sachet. I make my own, and I do have the recipe, and it just smells with lavender. I put everything in it, and I just love it, love it, love it. But I only send it to Canada now, through within Canada, because yeah. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in here. I know the bag is big. I bought this from Turkey as well. The supplies over there is very cheap compared here in Canada. I don't think I can even find a bag like this here. So I know it's big. I tried to, this is the smallest they had. So they didn't carry any smaller ones. You can order them from Amazon or AliExpress is cheaper, because they sell the same products over there. And then I put into this envelope, and I just love, love, love. Oh, I also have the green as well. Just lovely. And it says thank you, right? Okay, so I'm going to put this in as well. So I'm not going to bother put them in a box, because this is the 3rd bag. Okay. And I just peel this. Okay, just like this. Here we go. Here's the package. This is how I pack. This is a small bridal shrug. For my bigger items, I pack the same way, and I ship it. Yeah, so I just wanted to share you this part, how I pack them. Yeah, so let me know any comments you have. I just wanted to share how I pack my bridal shrugs, and that's all. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a video you will be notified, indicating there's something new. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.